Hello friends, here I have an app in which I have a video in a list view, and this is based on Firebase. So in this video I display the thumbnail, and over that I display a play image, and when I click on this it plays the video like this. Okay, I can make it full screen and back, and I can also stop the sound and I can download it also. When I click on this download, it starts downloading. You can see that it's 10% downloaded. So I will show you how to do this in Sketchware. So first, suppose you have uploaded a video to Firebase using Sketchware. Now to display the video, let's move to Sketchware. Okay, here is the list, and I upload the video here. When I click on this button, I pick the video, it is displayed here, and when I click on this, it is upload. So when I click on this fab button, I have the path of the video which I selected, and I upload that path to this path with this name, get last segment path of path. And after uploading, the next event will be on upload success. So on upload success, I create a new map, and in this map I put the download URL with this key attachment, plus I put the attach type as attach type, which is video in this case. So I put the attach type as video, and if attach type equals video, then I put the key thumbnail as thumbnail. I get the thumbnail on files picked event, which I have shown you in previous video, and then I push this to the Firebase DB posts. So this means that I push the download URL of the video using key attachment. So attachment is the URL of the video. Now let's move to the list view page, which is this main.xml. Here on this page, first I will show you the custom view of this page. This is the custom view where I have added this linear 8 for displaying the images or the videos. So here let me set some padding 8. Okay, and it contains this image view 5. For this, if I set width to wrap content, you can see that there is another image view which is image view 6. So inside this linear 8 I have image view 5 and image view 6. For image view 6 I have set width to 60, and I have set this image of play button, and for image view 5 not set any image. Now for linear 8 I set the padding to 0, and then for this image view 5 I set width to match parent. So when I set width to match parent, image view 6 goes out of view. Now it is not visible. Okay, so in order to bring it in front, I will set translation X for image view 6 and by how much, that we have to decide by measuring the width of the screen minus all these things. So first I will see this. This is the outer linear for which the padding is 5. So padding is 5 on left and 5 on right, means 10. I have to get the width of this linear, which is linear 8. So from the screen width I will subtract 10. Then I will subtract the padding of linear 1, which is 8. So I will subtract double of 8, which is 16, and plus 10. 16 plus 10, 26. Plus I will subtract the width of this, which is 40. 40 plus 26 is 66, and the padding of this linear, which is 9 into 2, 18, So 66 plus 18 is 84. So the width of screen get display with pixels minus 84 is the width of this linear. Now I have to set the translation X of image view 6 in such a way that it comes in center of this. So to bring it in center of this, to the width of this linear, I will add the width of the other image, which is image view 6, and that is 60. So to width of this linear I will add 60, and then I will divide it by 2 so that it comes in center. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this. Here in onBind custom view, okay, first I check if the list map contains the key attachment. If it contains the key attachment, then I make this linear 8 visible, otherwise I make linear 8 gone. Then I check if it contains the key attach key, and if that attach key equals image. If it equals image, then in image view 5 I display the image from URL attachment, and I make image view 6 gone. Image view 6 is not required if it is an image. It is required only when it is a video. So if the attach type is equal to video, then I make image view 6 visible, and for image view 6 I set translation X as 0 minus get display width pixels minus get DIP 24. So I got this 24 because from display width I subtracted 84, and to that I added 60. So minus 84 plus 60 is minus 24. So get display width pixels minus get DIP 24, and I divide it by 2. Divided by 2, this is the width by which I have to move image view 6 on left side. To move it on left side, I subtract it by 0. So it will be 0 minus get display width pixels minus 24 by 2. So this will be the translation X of image view 6. After that I display the thumbnail of the video in image view 5. You can check my previous video on how to display thumbnail. Okay, so that's all here in displaying part. Now when I click on this image view 6, which is the play button, okay, here when I click on image view 6, I use intent set screen video activity, and I put this extra key video URL. The value of this is get value at position key attachment of list map and start activity I. Okay, now let's move to video activity. Here is the video view. In the view of this, I have removed the status bar and the toolbar. There is no status bar, no toolbar. And on create event in WebView 1, I load the URL. So here I have put this WebView 1, and in on create I load activity get extra key video underscore URL. Okay, and for this WebView, in order to enable the full screen, I have put this code, a custom web client which enables full screen. I have provided link in description from where you can copy this code, and I have used that custom web client here, webview1.set web chrome client, new custom web client. Okay, and to enable download, I have used this code, webview1.set download listener. I will provide a link in description to get this code also. Okay, and after that I have used these settings, WebView1 settings dot WebView1 get settings dot set built-in zoom controls true. The next line is WebView1 get settings dot set display zoom controls false. Then set load with overview mode true, and set use wide viewport true. And I have made this set vertical scroll bar enabled false and set horizontal scroll bar enabled false, so that the scroll bar is not visible. Okay, so this makes the image or the video zoomable. We can see that this is an image, and this also opens on the same page, and I can zoom it. And even when I open this video, I can zoom it as well. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.